26 mile an hour winds back here. Don't include the wind gust. I'm gonna head back to the house now. Oh my god, my hands are so cold, and look at all the snow on the ground. The GoPro is not picking up as much as you guys could tell. See, I found one. Sail away! Let's go to the front. I'm going into the front. It's really needed. I might just use the phone's footage too. That's why I'm grateful for the cameras. This thing can pick up a lot more. This is a Christmas tree. This is going to be fun to shovel tomorrow. Two different angles. Guys, I can no longer feel my hands, but I am getting the content for you guys. You know, go probably be having the better angles for like put on the camera. Anyways, yeah. Oh my god. I can no longer feel my hands. Oh my god, the snow is just rolling like crazy. I'm going to have a lower angle, so yeah. Yeah, my hands, I can no longer feel my hands, peace. Well, not only recording, because you guys are very good. I'm trying to take the picture of the Christmas tree. Let's get inside. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can no longer feel my hand. But that is great freaking on. I'm not coming down again. It's literally freezing and it doesn't get me. By breaking a stone for you guys. I'm gonna clean out my GoPro. I'm so sorry for the water spots. I'm gonna clean out everything. Like, comment, and subscribe. share this video with like, comment, subscribe, share this video with all your friends. This will go on my regular YouTube channel as well. But still, like, comment, subscribe, share this video with all your friends. And this will be into the vlog tomorrow. I'll set this one after. I'm gonna set the premiere right now for the get this one uploaded instead for a premiere. Wasn't it so cool? My hands are freezing when I slide. And yeah, peace.